Lesson Book A, page 39, Little Bird. It looks like this. I'm going to play all the way through it once, and then I'll play it again with some explanation. So this first time you can just listen. I've got my right hand in C position. It's a right hand only piece. It has just treble clef right here. That's the right hand symbol, treble clef. All right, so I put my one thumb on middle C. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's have a little explanation. Measure 1 starts on middle C and goes up, up. Measure 2 starts 2 on D right here and goes up, up again. So we'll start on D. Measure 3 is the note 5 on G, and it goes down, down, up, up. I call that a musical smile. We're going to go down a couple notes, then back up. Here we are on G, measure 3. Now up. All right, next line, we're still on G, and it goes down, down. Next measure, fourth finger on F, down, down. Down, down. And the last two measures start on middle C and go up, up, down, down. Sometimes we call that a musical frown. So here I go, starting on middle C. All right, here's the whole piece one more time, a little bit slower. Ready, go. Don't forget to listen and to play along with me.